Hello everybody and welcome to the show. In this episode I got 10 fresh packs of Tim Hortons hockey cards. So let's get cracking packs, see what we get. 10 fresh packs. First pack. They just came out like a day ago. Don't know if I'm going to buy a whole box this year. Ramses Dahlin. We got a gold card, Carey Price. Josh Bailey. Looking for a franchise force dual force, and we're looking for our clear-cut phenoms. Taylor Hall. Mark Scheifele game day action. And Carter Hart. There are rookies in this set, which I'm happy about. You can get your Carter Harts, your Elias Petersons, Philip Zadina, Eric Stahl, Connor McDavid Red, how many packs have you opened up? Let me know in the comments what your favorite player is, what your favorite team is. Clayton Keller, Artemi Panarin, and we got ourselves clear-cut phenom of Carter Hart. That's a keeper. Holy shit, that's a nice one. It looks sicker in his black jersey, but this is pretty good. I'm a huge Carter Hart fan, and also I'm a huge Miro Heiskanen fan from this rookie class. Sebastian Aho, Joe Pavelski, and red Matthew Barzal. Next card up, next pack up. Sorry about my voice, my throat's a little dry. Pierre-Luc Dubois, Evgeny Kuznetsov, and we got ourselves a Winter Classic card of Patrice Bergeron. This is on a checklist. Ryan O'Reilly, Gabriel Landeskog, and we got ourselves gold Ovechkin. Hitting some big names. Jeff Skinner, Cale Makar, and game day action of John Tavares. 2 packs left. Let me know if you want the code for the online connection. Teuvo Teravainen, Nathan McKinnon, and we got ourselves highly decorated Brandon Holtby, William M. Jennings Trophy, and Vezina Trophy, and Stanley Cup. Last pack Magic, looking for a clear cut or a duel. And for luck, I'm going to give you guys this code right off the bat. There we go, to the first person that watches this video that gets the code. We got ourselves John Gibson, Connor McDavid base, and game day action of Patrick Laine. Alright. That's the episode. I'm gonna open up a few more packs later on. These were our hits for today. Got an awesome Carter Hart clear cut phenom, and a Connor McDavid red. I'm actually happy this year that the cards are not bent. Last year and the year before, cards were bent. This year they're not bent. I'm happy about that. If you want this card, it might go up on eBay. These are selling high right now on eBay, so I may sell this one. Alright guys, have a great day. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and remember to ring the bell for notifications for a new video coming up. And leave a comment in the comment section. How many packs have you opened up? And who is your favorite player in the rookie class season this year? Mine is this guy and Miro Heiskanen. Alright, have a great day. I'll see you on the next video.